Hello everyone, let's continue revising the word meaning, and this is going to be part 9. What's the first word? Cohere. Cohere means susangat. How to use this word? The terms, the team's ideas cohere well. What is the meaning of cohere? Susangat. In English, in English, to stay close or connected. Cohere, to stay close or connected. To stay close or connected means in Hindi it means susangat hona. In Hindi it means susangat hona. Cohere, susangat hona means to stay close or connected. The team's ideas cohere well. Next word is incisive. Incisive means bhedak, clear, sharp, direct. The film critics' incisive analysis helped film goers better understand the movie's multi-layer plot. Incisive, incisive means bhedak, clear, sharp, direct. Prevaricate means shalkapat. Prevaricate means shalkapat means to avoid giving a direct answer or deviate from the truth. The child chose to prevaricate when asked who had broken the vase. The child chose to prevaricate when asked who had broken the vase. Prevaricate means chalkapat. Incisive means bhedak. Cohere means susangat. Stoicism means vairagya, means staying calm and strong no matter what happens. For example, his stoicism during hardship inspired everyone. Stoicism means vairagya. Prevaricate means chalkapat. Incisive means bhedak. Cohere means susangat. Cohere means सुसंगत होना, means connected होना. Incisive means भेदक, clear, sharp, direct. Prevaricate छलकपट, stoicism वैराग्य. Somnolent means निंद्राजनक. Somnolent means निंद्राजनक, means sleepy, drowsy, निंद्रजनक. Somnolent, निंद्रजनक means sleepy, drowsy, somnolent. The grey, rainy day made everyone feel somnolent. Somnolent means nindrajanak. Okay. Somnolent. Stoicism, vairagya, prevaricate, chalkapat, incisive, bhedak, cohere, susangat, somnolent means nindrajanak, feeling sleepy. Okay, drowsy. Next word is clandestine. Gupt, clandestine or clandestine. Gupt means done secretly or in a concealed manner. They met in a clandestine location to discuss their top secret mission. Okay, so what is the meaning of clandestine? Gupt means done secretly or in a connected manner. Artlessness means sidhapan bholapan. Artlessness means sidhapan bholapan, being honest and simple. For example, her artlessness made everyone trust her. Her artlessness made everyone trust her. Pernicious means ghatak. Pernicious means ghatak. Pernicious means nashak. Pernicious means ghatak. Pernicious means nasak. Extremely destructive or harmful. Extremely destructive or harmful. Not being able to communicate can be pernicious to any relationship. Not being able to communicate can be pernicious to any relationship. Pernicious means extremely destructive or harmful. Means, for example, not being able to communicate can be pernicious to any relationship. Pernicious means ghatak, nasak. Let's revise it once again. Cohere, susangat means to stay close or connected. Incisive means bhedak, means clear, sharp, direct. Prevaricate means shalkapat, means to avoid giving a direct answer or deviate from the truth. Stoicism means vairagya, staying calm and strong no matter what happens. Somnolent, nindrajanak, means sleepy or drowsy. Candlestein, clandestine, gupt, done secretly or in a concealed manner. Artlessness, सीधापन, भोलापन, being honest and simple. Okay. Next word is pernicious means ghatak nashak, extremely destructive or harmful. So we have read, we have revised 8 new words. Now next few 23 words more. Acquiescence, acquiescence means razamandi. Acquiescence means razamandi. How to pronounce, no, how to spell acquiescence? ACQUIESCENE, acquiescence, razamandi. Waiver अधित्याग. Stopple, विबंधन, stopple, विबंधन. Grant, प्रदान करना, grant, प्रदान करना. Inherent, अंतर्निहित, inherent, अंतर्निहित, inherent, अंतर्निहित. Existing in something as a permanent essential. Inherent means अंतर्निहित, existing in something as a permanent essential. Non-est, अनिर्धारित. Non-est, अनिर्धारित. Inherent, अंतर्निहित. ग्रांट, प्रदान करना. स्टॉपल, विबंधन. वेवर, अधित्याग. एक्विसीन, रजामंदी. Precisely, एकदम सही. Quorum non juris, before one who is not a judge. Quorum non juris, before one who is not a judge. Ex dolo malo non aritur actio. No action arises from fraud. Ex dolo malo non aritur actio. No action arises from fraud. Distinction, भेद. कन्वर्सली, इसके विपरीत. आउटस्टेड, देखभाल. आउटस्टेड, बेदखल. आउटस्टेड, बेदखल. फोरम, मंच. अवेल, लाभ लेना. कंटेंडेड, तर्क दिया. नल एंड वॉइड, असक्त और शून्य. कंसिडरेबली, काफी. पिथली, मतलब की बात. दस, इस प्रकार. देयर ऑफ, उसके. एरेनस, इरेनियस. ई डबल आर ई डबल आर ओ एन ई ओ यू एस, इरेनस, गलत. virtually assimilated means vastutah atmasat means take in information or idea and understand fully. Next word is vanishing point. Vanishing point means लोपी बिंदु. वो जो हम सामने व्यू देखते हैं और वो ऐसे जो है, रोड जो है ऐसे लास्ट में या ऐसे ऐसे हो जाता है, तो ये वाला जो पॉइंट है दैट इज लोपी बिंदु, जो हमें लास्ट में दिखता है. दोनों जो है ट्रैक मान लो या रोड मान लो, दोनों जो कनेक्टेड दिखते हैं, जहाँ पर जॉइंट दिखते हैं, जुड़े हुए दिखते हैं, दैट पॉइंट इज लोपी बिंदु. दैट पॉइंट इज वैनिशिंग पॉइंट. Okay, so let's try to revise it once again. Accusation, razamandi, waiver, adhityag, estoppel, vibandhan, grant, pradan karna. Inherent, antarnirhit. Non-est, anirdharit. Precisely, ekdam sahi. Quorum non juris, before one who is not a judge. Ex dual malo non aritur actio. No action arises from fraud. Distinction, bhed. Conversely, इसके विपरीत. आउटसाइड, बेदखल. फॉरम, मंच. अवेल, लाभ लेना. कंटेंडेड, तर्क दिया. नल एंड वॉइड, असक्त और शून्य. कंसिडरेबली, काफी. पिथली, मतलब की बात. दस, इस प्रकार. देर ऑफ, उसके. इरेनियस, गलत. वर्चुअली असिमुलेटेड, वस्तुतः आत्मसात. वैनिशिंग पॉइंट, लोपी बिंदु. Let's revise it once again. Let's revise it once again. Cohere, as cohere, susangat means to stay close or connected. Incisive, bhedak means clear, sharp, direct. Prevaricate means chalkapat, means to avoid giving a direct answer or deviate from the truth. Next word is stoicism, vairagya, staying calm and strong no matter what happens. Next word is somnolent, nindrajanak means feeling sleepy or drowsy. Next word is clandestine, gupt, done secretly or in a connected manner. Next word is artlessness, means sidhapan bolapan, being honest and simple. Next word is pernicious, means ghatak nashak, extremely destructive or harmful. Okay. Next word is acquisition, razamandi, waiver, adityag, estoppel, vibandhan, grant, pradan karna. Inherent, antanirhit, non-est, anirdharit. Precisely, ekdam sahi. Quorum non juris, before one who is not a judge. Ex dolo malo non aritur actio. No action arises from fraud. Distinction, भेद. Conversely, इसके विपरीत. Outside, बेदखल. Forum, मंच. अवेल, लाभ लेना. Contended, तर्क देना. तर्क दिया. Contended, तर्क दिया. Null and void, आसक्त और शून्य. Considerably, काफी. पिछली, मतलब की बात. दस, इस प्रकार. देर ऑफ, उसके. इरेनस, गलत. वर्चुअली सिमुलेटेड, वस्तुतः आत्मसात. वैनिशिंग पॉइंट, लोपी बिंदु. This is fine for today. We have revised 23 plus 8. 23 plus 8. 31. We have revised 31 words today in within 10 minutes, and I think this is sufficient. If we will give at least 10 minutes of our day to the word meaning, then we gonna learn a lot of words. Thank you.